You see you, eh? One day I go use you na ground. Now you dey come, Abi. As you pay this, you don't want to learn this work. I just say look because it's my cousin brother. You don't want to put eye for this work. Eh, Chitty. See when you come here which day, you don't sabi file shoe. See, nothing you sabi. The only thing you sabi na to chop. Where they come from now?
I go chop
And they talk to them.
biscuits and plantain.
They're mad. God punish you. Give me the zippers. Oh yeah, go carry that zipper. Go dey find am fast.
How dare you? How dare you open your shop when I instructed no one should open his or her shop on the Eke Market Day? That is the day we worship our river goddess, our chief. How dare you?
That's the way. What did they do for here? What did concern me and your river? I be rugged Christian. If they feel me, I'm not going to do that nonsense one that they do. Now so you say make one girl come river for sacrifice, one of her hand lost. Any fair girl where you see, you got to call her 1 miri. I be like 1 miri for you. I be black girl. And then they follow you do all this nonsense. Come on for here.
To appease the goddess, your fine is to carry your craft to the river goddess. To say I am sorry to her.
If I try, I might die. If I come out for this place, you don't vex me. I go beat you for here now. Come on for here.
Ezenwanyi, Millie.
Get my shoes.
Oh, she don't come out.
Ezenwanyi, don't carry my shoes. Hey! My shoes. You see this woman? You see this woman? They find my trouble.
He carry the Fendi design, oh. Carry everything home.
My expensive shoes.
Now the Fendi and Gucci one she carry, oh.
Ezenwanyi, my son does not know the culture. He just came back from Lagos. I beg of you, don't send thunder to kill him for me. He's the only son that I have. He will not swim the river again. Biko.
Woman, go home. Your son is already dead.
Hi.
For as far as Ezenwanyi is concerned in this village, your son is gone.
Hey!
Go!
Chimebukwamo. Hey! Mama unkwa Chimebukwamo. Ewo! Hey! Chimebukwamo.
Ezenwanyi! What did they cause all this rubbish now? Not try this nonsense with me, oh. If they do this rubbish with people, not try it with me, you're mad. How dare you? How dare waiting? Not try this rubbish with me. I don't get joy, yo. My joy lost at the fun I never see.
How dare you?
What did they stop you now?
Are you mad?
They mad? Why you come and go carry my shoes? Eh? You know how much they sell so? How much they sell leather? Bring my shoes back. I need to follow you play, oh. Since I come this village, I dey mind my business the day my day. Make everybody punk me. Make nobody find my trouble. Get my shoes.
Ezenwanyi, Millie. 1 more Millie, fight her. Bring her down.
And now stop them, waste your energy. See me, I dare your front, fight me. Leave them, fight me. What did they stop you?
How dare you talk to my mother like that? Are you mad? Is something wrong with your head?
Mad. You won't call it. I will take you Nagra for here. I'm not well, no.
Ezugo, slap me.
I will beat you for here.
Ezugo, come,
What in the shop for here now?
Ezugo, imagine Neto Shuku had the effort, the boldness to come to our separate compound to insult Mama.
As if it's not enough. She slapped at that mirror. Ezuko, this thing slapped me.
Timo, Netochukwu, I'm done waiting now. I'm done waiting. Waiting to stop.
Come on for my front, you're mad. Come on for my front.
Netochukwu, Mama, she pushed me.
Do it.
I don't keep pressing her. She pushed me. Mama, I don't keep pressing.
I'm gonna miss you for come on my front, you're mad. You're mad. I'm gonna send your house. You'll collect for it. Come on my front. Come on my front. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Let me do anything.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Stay there now. Stay there now. Don't worry.
Yes. What the fire? You damn mad. You damn my house, the para, you damn crazy. You You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. The crazy. Go. You're mad. Come on, buddy. You're mad. Near me. Now. You know your eye be this. I go kill him. I go use a knockout. And your eye be this. Now you take me play. What are you holding? Give that thing.
I gotta deal with your fuck off for this house today. No worry, this one not reach. Now go carry my color. Let go!
Drop it!
See, man. Shut up, boo! See, I will come back for now. I will come back. I go reimburse, come back for now. Una no price. And anybody with a price must buy. Now me, I want for this village.
I don't blame you.
Ezenwanyi, bring my shoes. Otherwise, it go be for you.
You're not gonna do anything.
Okay.
You're not gonna do anything.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Yes.
I'm not gonna do anything.
You're not gonna do anything.
I dey come.
You're not gonna do anything. Now mad, you dey mad, but you don't know. You're not gonna do anything, Neto. She slapped me.
Where she there now? She don't come out. She get locked, say she don't come out. Mama, now I thought you could get locked, say she don't come out. If not, I for sure. Don't rush for there now. My son say, Ezu gonna man. Say you get man for this house. Now I thought you get locked. But don't worry, I go still meet you. No worry, I go still meet her, Mama. I go still show am something. Show am say you get man. I go slap you on top there. No, Mama, she for there now, I show am. Say you get man. Say I be man. Ezu gonna.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. What kind of dream is this? Tochukwu fighting with demonic family. No. No, not my daughter. Not my daughter. Where is she? Neto! 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 Neto, Chukwu! Neto! Neto! She's not here. She's not here. Neto! Neto!
My good evening. What is it?
Please, did you stop at your sister's shop? Is she there?
I stopped there, but I don't see her. I only saw this Mumuchi and the rest of them. But Neto is not there. Any problem?
She's not there?
No.
No problem. When you get to the house, the keys, you will see the key where we used to drop it. Okay. I need to see your sister very fast. It's very, very important. Go.
But she's not in her shop now. Where are you going to?
I said go to the house. I'm coming.
Mama, are you okay?
If I start now, they go say Neto don't start. They go say I dey find trouble. I did my own, they mind my business now. This useless Ezenwanyi no wan let me rest. I go come my shop, come pack on my shoes. So waiting. I don't get Ezenwanyi she no dey there. I go river, she no dey for that place. I person go come carry my shoes. Don't be wickedness be that. Say be Ezenwanyi. If be Ezenwanyi na for your pocket oh. I'm not sending anybody, Papa. Useless Ezenwanyi. And so he carry one girl go river, say want do sacrifice. But I carry the girl go. It don't be say Igwe, they always decide them. That woman supposed they jail, they cool off. How they throw and do all this on a river thing, so I be child of God. I know they do all this rubbish Ezenwanyi nonsense. Ezenwanyi, if I catch you, if you don't give me my money, it go big for you. I know well, oh. Make I catch you first. Anywhere where you there, just stay run. Because if I catch you, it go big for you.
Neto, where are you coming from?
Why you run like this? What is this up? Mama, the fire is the wine. I don't find I go Shiran, find I go river, I no see am. That woman no fear. She come my shop, come pack my shoes. I don't give am. Latest this Friday. If she don't give me my money, I go destroy everywhere. This kingdom, go scatter.
No,
you go see am.
No way. Neto Chukwu, please. You can't, you don't need to say that now. There is fire on the mountain. Biko.
Fire.
Yes, so.
Fire. Who put fire for mountain? Who put fire? Mama talk now.
Neto, you don't need to ask me all these questions. Please follow me. Just come. Follow me. Follow me. You will not die young.
Amen. But what happened?
Don't worry. When we get to the house, I will explain everything to you. Do you hear me? Just follow me.
What did happen?
My daughter.
Mama, I know they like this kind of thing. I know they like am.
My daughter, the dream is a very bad one. Please, just allow me to go. Because let me go myself. Just forget about the shoe. I will go myself.
No, Mama. How can she come to her shop and pack her shoes and say she forget about it?
Bina, what are you saying?
It's not nice, Mama.
Mama, see, I use my kidney, my liver, everything when my body take beg you. You see this is why you talk now, no talk am again. I don't like am, but you dey form my hand now. You dey bring down my morale. Obi Ezenwanyi. She no fear, she come my shop, come pack my shoes. I know they like this kind of thing. I know well, if I vex now, they go say I don't start. I tell about they do my shoe business. You tell me say you dey get BP, make I come meet you. I don't there now. Trouble from left, right. I don't like this kind of thing, no. So Ezenwanyi now don't leave Fanta, don't leave biscuit and sweet. Now shoes be her problem. Come carry my shoes. I no go leave my shoes for her. Is it that I collect my shoes or I collect my money? Otherwise, this kingdom go destroy. I go scatter everywhere. You go hear him?
Listen to me.
Please calm down. See, report this matter to the king. Yes, report to the king immediately.
Where you crew that thing? Report to which king? King going to go do anything. I'm not going to report to any king. You see that Ezenwanyi? In fact, Mama, they come.
Hey, Neto! Call your sister. Neto! Neto, Chukwu!
Mama, allow her. See, Neto, please go to the king. Don't go and fight her Ezenwanyi. Let her go and fight her money.
Now, what are you saying? Go after your sister now. That woman will harm her.
Don't worry, the woman will
You know
not
that
do
woman
anything.
is full of evil.
Mama, it's okay. How can she just leave her goods for that woman? It's not nice now.
Neto, if anything happens
She's
to my
going to
daughter-
report to the king. Mama, come, let's go inside. Yeah? Come. She's going to report to the king.
Wow. This is so beautiful. Babes, you see this? You mean to tell me that you produced this by yourself?
Yes, so. I mean, produce them. Na Neto's designers, original Aba made. Better, correct, ogbonge, gengen leather na take nakam. My princess, this your shoe, you know they get yourself, oh. I go fee give you original leather or you go like them.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Even this bag, let me make am. Now my design.
This is so amazing. You're talented. Wait, what part of Idemili are you from?
Ogidi,
Ogidi,
I go lie for you.
same village with me.
They tell you.
Oh my God, you are amazing. This is so good.
Thank you.
What's happening here?
Good day, my king.
Neto,
Sir,
how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's going on?
Father,
Yes.
look at the birthday gifts she gave me. I'm so happy. I don't even know how she got my size. Huh? I don't know.
Neto is very fantastic. In fact, she gifted me 2 pairs like this on my birthday.
2?
That was last month, I guess.
Last month.
So I'm wearing it. You thought I bought it when I went to France?
No. Thank you. Well, I am so happy. Thank you so much. No one has ever gifted me before. I've always been the one giving out. Thank you.
My prince, I gift you this shoe as your birthday gift. You know, say you invite me come your birthday ceremony yesterday. I no get chance. I go do baby. Now I say, man, knock you this gift. Better leather.
Thank you so much for the gods smile on your craft.
You say, oh.
Oh my God, baby!
Are you okay?
Oh, I think I need water. Not my man. Putting on Neto's shoes. Why are you acting like you don't have other shoes? You have so many, even brands in your closet. Why are you wearing this?
Babe, I love this shoe. The fact that it's coming from a Nigerian, a girl from my kingdom.
Oh, please come off it. This is nothing. This is just an Abba-made shoes from a local brand.
Yes, I love Abba-made shoes. I love it local. Huh? Since you derive joy in talking down the effort of a woman like you, your fellow woman, come to think of it, have you ever gifted me before?
Really? Do you want to talk about it now?
Oh yes, let's talk about it. You talk down on this woman every now and then. You've not even given me as low as a boxer. But look at me. I got you a car. Human hairs. iPhones. I changed your wardrobe. I even placed you on a monthly salary for just being my girlfriend.
May I remind you that you are my man. And it's also the duty of a man to take care of his woman. Babe, I am your responsibility, so do not complain.
I am not complaining, right? But you see this shoe, this Abba made. Henceforth, I'll start wearing it. More, in fact, I'm in love with it henceforth. The best out of my collections.
For heaven's sake, are you forgetting that you are a prince? Babe, take this out. Get something else to wear. Failing to do so, cancel every of our appointment because I'm not stepping out with you wearing this nonsense. Excuse me.
This is the time of Neto designs. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will keep wearing them. Yes, I love it.
You're coming to my house. How? Any problem?
Get my shoes when you come and still come back. Eh? What don't you understand? Why you go come my shop, come back, my shoes worth millions of naira? Unganu, give me my shoes or give me the money. Fast!
Neto Chukwu.
There's the wine.
The fly that will not listen to advice will follow the corpse to the grave. Be careful. Be careful, Neto Chukwu. Madam, what one your
Who be fly, who be cops? I don't understand you. Did you paste anywhere or put notice anywhere say today na market day? Say make we not open shop and make we carry our goods come river. How you expect make I take no? I be winch, you want make I fly, make I take no? How did you expect me to know?
Neto Chukwu.
Ezenwanyi.
Neto Chukwu.
Ezenwanyi.
Neto Chukwu.
Ezenwanyi.
Enough is enough.
I hear you.
Enough is enough. I will not warn you again.
Ezenwanyi, biko, bahara, biko, butuo.
Ne. Your daughter has refused to acknowledge me in this kingdom. Therefore, she will bear the consequences.
Which consequence?
You know what I mean.
You're not going to do anything. You will bear the consequence. You dey speak English. Come now by force. You be thief, oh, you be only. Now by force. Mama, wait, make I talk. When I hear say Igwe they do birthday, I use my church mind go dash am shoe. My church mind though, nobody force me. I heard that Ono who was very sick, I arrange you go give him. You, what it bind me and you? Me and you they follow the same road. What it concern me and you? If this leg go to disappear, they pain you. You go talk to me. You go beg me. Then I go arrange disappearing shoe give you. Don't be say you go use force. You came to my shop to pack my shoes. You be thief. You be only OG. Thief. Ezenwanyi, why the thief? Oh yeah. Before I go count, go give me my shoes.
Madam, hold your daughter. If she dares me, she will disappear from this earth forever.
I go disappear.
Of course you will. I'll make you disappear.
Chimo, Ezenwanyi, please just forgive her. She's still a small girl.
What the be little girl? I don't like this kind of thing. What be this? Why you need to say, who they say be little girl? Say because I be picking on me, say they call me small girl. I'm not small, though. Ezenwanyi, I'll count 1 to 20 if you not give me my shoes. If you not go give me my shoes, I go do you something where you go regret. I'm going to count from 1 to 20 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, you don't make her disappear. What be this now, Mama? Who shall be Chimo? What be this nonsense what you do now? Eh? You don't make this my person where they find all over the place. You don't make her carry my money go. My money worth millions of naira. You go give me the money, oh.
Hell, no, don't worry. I'll give you money from my crayfish money.
Which crayfish? How much be the crayfish? I better stop this kind of nonsense talk. Which kind of rubbish? You didn't put mouth for it, no concern you. Listen, why she can't go now?
Nebiko.
What kind of nonsense be this?
I say, if you make one fine shoe for me, or you get me one fine shoe from your madam store, I will sleep with you.
Is everything? No, I can't just speak loud. Is it?
I said, if you give me one beautiful shoe, like if you dash me one beautiful shoe from your madam store, I'll sleep with you. Anyhow you want it. It's not a big deal.
Give me 460, make I check something. Before I decide.
Huh?
Make I see 460 first. Run up for me, 460.
Okay.
Ubeja roka. Only make I see your leg. Yo. Blood there. 39 big. Consider you done. Make I go thief. I dey go my madam store now. Waiting I go thief there no go proper. Eh?
Just like that.
Consider it done. Make I go thief my madam shoe.
You dey go thief?
I dey go thief like this.
If them catch you, no call my name. I don't want to hear neka from your mouth if them catch you.
Consider I start this business. I be a bad boy. Check history. I go to like Fendi.
Now Fendi is beautiful.
Versace.
Me dey bust my dada.
Ma say for again. Just 5 shoe, 5 doggy.
Anyhow I want anywhere
it.
You want it.
Yeah, me premier.
Yes.
I'm happy.
Yes.
What are we now talking? You know what go happen? Wait for me for primary 2 class.
Our primary school?
Primary 2 class.
Okay.
Go wait for me there. If you go, just lock door, lock window, sit down. Okay. I'm coming. Okay. Let me go and do the needful.
Okay. Be careful.
No, I'm professional. I'm an Aba boy. Original Aba.
Mama, I don't support you. Agreement is agreement.
Oh, shut up. Shut your mouth.
What do you know?
Anubinofia. Those shoes are for Ezenwanyi Millie. Because she asked me to give the instruction that day that nobody should go out, and she went and opened her shop. Did I take the... Okay, where is the shoes in this house? Why would she come out on the day they said no market? Everyone should close their shop. She came out. Where are you going dressed like that? Carrying a box.
Mama, off to the palace.
For what? Why?
What do you mean why? Did I not tell you that I would love to work at the palace? Even as a maid. Oh, wait. Mama, you heard it now. You heard the town crier. You heard the announcement. Huh?
Did they announce that you were going to work at the palace? Or rather, they announced that maidens that want to work in the palace should come forward. Your mother is a priestess. She's the one of this kingdom. You don't have at least a little pride not to go there? What are you lacking in this house?
Ada, still the beans now. After all, Mama will not flog you. Huh? Mama,
She's in love with the prince. She wants to go and shoot her shot.
She's in love with the prince.
Yes.
The prince is already engaged. He has a girlfriend that is about to get married to.
Doesn't matter.
Will you always play a second fiddle in your life?
Where you come in, oh? Now, dear you waka jeje, come enter the matter.
I says the wine.
Mama, that is where you come in as a mother. Come and make me possess my possession. Okay, imagine it this way. The prince getting married to one of your daughters.
Mama, we'll enjoy together.
Very much. So, Mama, you just have to get it done.
I don't like the prince.
Make it happen, Mama. That is what you will do for me.
I'll go see.
I wish you good luck. Get it done. Bye.
And where are you going?
Mama, let her be now. She's an adult, so let her be. Oh, no, Mama.
Don't even touch me. Mama, leave me alone. I said, don't touch me.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Mama, they tell me that I don't want here. Why you go tell me say you won't give me the money? Small money when I give you, you won't give me back. You know how much you talk about for you? We talk about millions of naira. Neither woman carry. Carry my shoes, what millions of naira? You think they go give me the money? Don't talk that, you know. I must collect shoes or my money. In fact, I don't want the shoes again. And my money I want because I dey go Aba this Friday. Go buy materials. I don't tell that woman, say, later this Friday, if she not give me my money, I go scatter her shrine.
Neto, no scatter shrine, no. No, you and Mama will get problem. And you and Ezenwanyi. But Mama, come to think of it. Who does Ezenwanyi think she is in this village? That is how she was bragging and dragging with everybody, almost through Papa's burial. He was even challenging the Reverend Father. What is this? But Neto, please, don't scatter her shrine. Go to Igwe and report, because Igwe will make her pay you your money.
Where you that thing? Why I go report to King? Then now.
You say what?
King and Ezenwanyi they bench, they muke, they wound each other. Hey. King go support him, I'm not go try him, I'm not go report to any king.
Neto!
Neto now, they bench. I go lie for you.
Hey! Oh, it's okay. Don't worry, I will go and report to Onowu myself. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, but I dey for your back. I see the branch Onowu, I mean I dey branch Igwe Palace, go land there for formality's sake. I must go there.
It's better this way. Mama, please go to Onowu and report. You go to Igwe, but don't go and scatter the shrine. No, you and Mommy will not get case.
In fact, make we dey go now, sir, because we dey waste time. Make we dey go.
Hey, what do you want to have before
Please, make sure you go to the King Palace. Don't go to Ezenwanyi's shrine.
Mama, don't go and do anything stupid, though.
Mama, just follow her so that you go to Onowu.
No, I will go at my own convenient time. Don't force me.
Oh, yeah, let us go inside.
Hey, baby. I'm almost done. You're doing good.
Thank you, baby. Not you putting on Neto's wares again. Babe, why are you obsessed with her local, irrelevant brand?
Enough. What is wrong with you? Is the shoe complaining?
Of course I am complaining.
Yes, I bought it from her.
This is our outing. You don't just wear some local shoes. My love, I don't want you wearing this. Are you forgetting that you are the prince? You are my man. I want you to look your best.
I know.
Love this.
I know I'm the prince. And so?
And so you're going to change it? Come on. Everybody is waiting to see what you wear. People will be checkmating your outfit. Our outfit. Please change it.
And I say no. You see this brand? I am going to wear this brand henceforth. Right? You can keep wearing your German, UK, Turkey brands. I don't care. Right? But you see this one? This Nigerian made, this Abba made. I love it with my chest. Full chest.
This Abba made sucks. Excuse me.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Not even going anywhere. What is this? I'll have to please others to displease myself? For what exactly? What nonsense is this?
I believe if we are able to gather the youths, make them go through vocational training where they will learn different crafts. Some into vulcanizing, some will be into carpentry, some into catering, some into rentals, some can even go into, becoming mechanics. Added to the fact that this will help the unemployment issue. Now, if we then help them with soft loans to kickstart these trades, I believe that it will bring down the rate of crime, kidnapping, and a whole lot of others, crime and hooliganism. I think they will all stop. I think we should start from there.
You're right, Your Highness. You've already made a great point. Besides, it's a value that will make their lives valuable to this kingdom and to their generations to come.
Didn't she see us? Yes, Your Highness.
Oga, they ask you, where you from? Where you go before? So, madam go come up for here, you said go come out. Since you say may go shit, I don't know whether na intestine you dey shit sis. Eh?
You be like say you dey mad. You dey pass me for my ear, and I no like am. Which I be say, madam, me and you na made for this shop. I go watch you slap oh.
You no fit do anything. You no fit do anything.
Abeg. Like this now you go enter your belle.
Abeg, you don't do. Please, madam, where is my shoes? Please bring it. I dey come, I go bring your shoes. No try am, no try next time.
I no blame you. I no blame you. Na too much blame. Because the customer there, they get morale. It's nothing.
I go you don't fit do anything. Madam, check whether it dey complete. Madam, go come out. You say go come out. You don't grow wings now.
No.
How much? Say they complete now 6,000.
Please, one person should follow me so that I will give you a say.
Oh yeah, stand up, full on. Stand up now, full on, go collect money now.
When you dey feel fun for here, I know say you know we no get respect. Now me do mistake try your fault. You say I no say your.
Follow go collect money. See, if she go, now you go pay. I go tell madam.
Try am.
Oga, follow go collect money. Follow go collect money.
Calm down. No, calm down.
My prince, now the matter na carry me come this palace. Everybody knows I know they look for person trouble. Make no person find my own. I dey punk me the day my day. You see that there's a wine. I know they block her progress. Make she no block my own. I don't clear her. This Friday, she will give me money for my shoes.
This is bad, Your Highness. She can't owe her over a month plus and refuse to pay. She's enjoying her product, so she should prepare her.
Young woman, you said the money is 1.7 million?
Yes, my prince.
Father, you heard her. Ezenwanyi must pay this money by force. She was here 3 days ago, and you gave her a whooping sum of 2 million. For what reason I do not know. She must pay.
Enough. You are not the king. And she did not come here to report to you, but to me.
Just airing my mind. That's all.
Netochukwu, like you have said, you'll get paid on or before that Friday.
Igwe, thank you. Because if that Friday reach, I don't see my money, I go display madness. So,
my daughter, don't worry. You can go. You heard. He has given her the money, 2 million naira. So she'll pay you.
Okay. You get another thing why they observe. Another offense where this is the one they commit for this community. You know what they call Okite? They collect money from Yahoo boys. They do work for them. They do ritual. Sacrifice. Hey! She did stage 1. No? Small time now, she go graduate, enter stage 2. Go begin they package human behead. They collect human behead. If he collect prince head, if he collect Igwe head, or even know who head, we could not open our eyes. They look, make bad thing they happen. That woman is a wine. She did very desperate. Eh? Okay. Placenta of Pekin. Now woman don't they graduate to.
You can go. You get the money.
We not go they open our eye. They look, make abomination. They grow placenta, Pekin placenta. That woman put eye there. Oh, very dangerous somebody. Oh, I say make I go. Make you elect.
You had me.
Because if not,
Go.
Yes.
Go.
Okay.
I don't see why both of you should have disagreements all the time. Because when I'm gone, both of you will rule this kingdom as king and queen. So I wouldn't expect you at that time to be fighting yourselves over a little thing like fashion. No.
Father, you know me too well. I am not a fashion freak. I love Neto's wares. I mean, they are super, super nice. Very strong and comfy on my legs, as you can see. She frowned at it for whatever reason I do not know, calling the name that it is Abba made.
Princess Adora, talking about Neto shoes, is it because it's locally made, so you will use the word locally made? You want to say it's Abba made or something because it's made by a Nigerian in Nigeria? No. You see, we encourage craft. We appreciate, hard work and creativity. In line with that, that's where Neto shoes came from. How would you feel if you were in that position and had invested so much money, so much time, so much creativity to come out with a beautiful product, and someone comes and says because it's made by Nigeria in Nigeria, that is not worth it, and now shout it down? I'm very sure you are going to be devastated. We usually say because it's not from Asia or Europe, even not from North America or South or whatever, that is a low product. No, shoes is shoes. The shoe made with same craft, same hide and skin, same tools. The difference is that it's made in Nigeria. We now call it Abba made. That inferiority complex that we have imposed on ourselves, thinking that whatever comes from out is more superior than ours. You needed to see, so much that was invested in the finishing, because everything you do, the finishing is very important. And that's why Neto shoes comes out with so much fineness. Look at the king's leg. It's Neto shoes. What else are we talking about? Come on.
Father, I tried to talk to her, but...
Son, I believe you did not handle it the right way. There's usually a way to talk to our women. When you try to force it down their throat, they fight back. But when you talk in a manner that, you are, you know that they have their own side of it, but you're trying to convince them in a manner that their dignity is so involved, they soon follow you. So you don't try to force it down her throat and expect her to accept it. You had different orientations. So I want both of you to stop this idea of fighting yourselves, okay? Don't be a loggerheads.
Father, my king, I am truly sorry for the misunderstanding. I didn't mean it that way. I was only trying to bring his mind to other brand of shoes that he has. Truthfully, I am not talking down on anybody. Right, baby, I'm sorry.
I understand perfectly. The same thing I was just saying. If he had said it in a manner that you could contribute, it won't be like that. So I want you to learn from now. If you want something for both of you, talk her into it. Don't force her into it. And the kingdom will be like heaven. It's okay. Come here.
Thank you, Father.
All right.
Hebo hebo oyolema neto chukwu neto chukwu nwanyi bụ ike she's stronger like a man you know fit cool am down.
I said you should stop. I will slap you if you touch me again. You the mad? What is wrong with you? Why you dey push me? Why will I not push you?
Give me one reason I should not touch you. So, Netochukwu, you went to the palace to report my mother to the king of where? Netochukwu, I heard everything you said, though. I heard it all. But, you know the fear. It be like say fear no dey your body. Everybody for this kingdom, they fear my family. Except you.
You see they touch me. I go beat you.
Beat me now.
I'm not there in that mood though.
That is what you're good
at. If I beat you, you go die.
Beat me. I am talking to you. So of all the women in the world, you picked my mother. Neto, you picked the wrongest person. If I were you, I will not go to sleep tonight because if I do, I will not wake up.
Oh, but okay. Now me the wrong mouth they give.
If uncle,
I be your mate.
Is my mother your mate?
Both your mama will even let go fear. You don't even reach my staff for my workplace. You the mad bomb there your head.
Now you the mad. Come on, my mother your mate.
Come on for this place.
Come on for this place.
You the mad. Come here. You the mad. You the mad. You the mad. You the mad. Useless girl. She get luck say I know they in a very bad mood. But tonight for do am. Blood for come on for her body. Nonsense. Don't be Chidi run just now. Now Chidi, my hand don't they deceive me. Hey, make I reach my shop first. I did very sure say na Chidi I see just now. My hand don't they make I reach my shop.
Yeah. 8. Obin, right? It's okay, that's fine. You don't mean it. Your sister is back? Okay, please, don't tell us that I came, alright?
I understand what you're saying. Did you come looking for her? Eh? I said for sure.
Obina, who be that? Let's go find me. Who be that now?
Never mind, it's not for you. Alpha,
talk now. Who will you talk to?
How did he go now? Tell me.
I don't report him.
Don't report him.
Straight.
What did the king talk now?
Don't worry yourself. I don't report him. I saw it be.
Say that so it be, but I hope say you know they go shrine again.
Don't worry yourself.
I beg, please. No go shrine, no go find mommy without trouble.
Go away. Of course, I am fine. Oh, my love. I am so sorry, baby.
I heard voices. Were you on call?
This? Oh, yes. I was on the phone with my brother in UK. Baby, I am sorry. I know I overreacted earlier.
It's okay. You know, I love you so much. I'm sorry.
Babe, it's fine. You don't have to be sorry. It's all my fault. I was totally wrong. I'm sorry.
Okay, I was wrong too.
I love you.
Love you too.
So, we'll still have a date to go on.
Yes, sure. Anything for my princess.
Thank you. I'll just get a few things ready.
It's alright. I'll be at the living room waiting for you. Don't be late.
I'll join you shortly.
Mama, you have to deal with Neto. You must deal with that idiot. She has insulted you enough in this village.
Neto went to the Igwe to report me. Neto Chukwu. Ask what
Mama, Neto did not just insult you. She told the king that you work for Yahoo boys. That they pay you well enough. Yet, you cannot afford to pay for those shoes, Mama. She even threatened to come and scatter your shrine.
Which shrine? Ha! This shrine. Maybe she thinks this shrine belongs to me alone. This shrine belongs to Ezenwanyi. Ezenwanyi lives in this shrine. In fact, this is her shrine. Let her come. Cause we are that
Mama.
What's the happen for you now?
Brother, it's Neto. It's Neto.
Which one's say brother? It's Neto. Why you dey shout for here? What's the solve? What's Neto do?
Neto insulted Mama. She insulted Mama.
Ah, see.
I'm on my own.
Ah, see. Can I able Neto to insult my mama? What you dey talk? Na Neto insult to my mama. Nah. Neto chukwu on your shoe. Neto on your shoe. Mama, Neto on your shoe insult my mama. Nah.
Esoko, where are you going?
Mama, what is it? What is it?
I just told you, allow me to deal with Neto myself. The battle line has been drawn. Let me deal with her. Where do you want to go?
Neto chukwu insult my mama.
Just
Uja Adriana anya or insult to my mama.
Esoko, please.
Nga pia alikapu ofunanya. Neto chukwu insult to why mmiri. Chieftaincy echi na anu mmiri na gadi why. Neto chukwu insult to. That girl today.
Just allow her.
I will show her that mama gave birth to a man. Neto uja aturia opaliagi mama. I dey
Allow
come.
me to deal with this.
No mama rapum. I dey come.
Why did you tell him?
Why will I not tell him?
You should allow me to. The battle line has been drawn.
Mama,
I want to deal with her
myself.
myself.
No, I said no. While you are dealing with her, the rest of us will also be dealing with her.
Oh, open this door. I'm going to they are fall out here now. Whether your sister.
Let's go to the apple.
Don't let you go me now. Whether your sister. Huh? Where your sister? Huh?
Why would I cutlass deliver for my sister? What did happen?
Okay. If you don't provide your sister, then beg your pieces.
So if they leave you now, go fight my sister for my house. No, they fear. Carry cutlass. They come and say,
I've got some. Shut up! Come on.
Please don't fight me.
You
won't fight me. You come to Papa's house, you won't fight me, you don't fear.
Mama,
don't wine.
Let's go, you know they fear.
You won't fight me.
They come here. Maybe they fear you.
No, can't get the go.
You get boy here.
You get the go.
They fear cutlass.
Get the go.
You won't fight me. You won't fight me.
Please don't fight me. Don't fight me, please.
Hey, they're mad. Hey, come on.
Hey,
Mama.
Mama, hold it. Mama, wait.
See that girl?
Nothing else. No, I want them to.
I'll bet you.
Mama,
Nonsense.
Hey,
No.
Hey,
5 million.
You want to pay me again? Give it to the mat.
5 million. Hey!
No, stay.
Hey!
Stay.
Hey! Don't touch Tiger Tail.
Don't quit that.
Tiger Tail, don't touch
I will beat you.
Tiger Tail, do it.
Talk.
For this village.
Mad. Stay. Stay now.
No wahala.
That says the one you picking, no? That's the one you son.
I beg, carry Mama go inside. They shout for my ear. Carry am go inside. I beg.
Mama, go inside. Mama, beg, go inside. No business. Go inside. If that boy come back today, just go inside.
Obina, what are you saying? That says the one son we are talking about. You know, all of us, we know that Ezenwanyi doesn't joke with her son. What are you saying? What are you people doing? I'm in trouble, no? Hey, you even gave him a sand to eat. And let Ojuku.
Ma, what thing I do, I'm small. Next time, if you try rubbish again, I go beat blood come out for your body. I'm not well, though. You don't whine. You no fear. Carry collapse come my papa house. Okay. What did they stop now? Mama, see. Mama, when me and my brother they about, would they do wrestling contest for? They beat men where a big passer. You too small.
Mama, would they use and tell the chop? Would they use and tell the joke with that boy? If he say I join him, Peter, man, she will not know the road for the house. Mama, go inside. No, they tell me this.
You are a woman, oh. You are a woman. You are not supposed to fight him.
Mama, remaining, Mama. You see that he useless Ezenwanyi. That woman supposed to jail, but now she did sick for this village. Make Friday rich, we cannot see my money. Make Friday rich first. Remain 2 days. Friday go land. We go observe ourselves. Who get power pass?
Hey, Neto, you are still talking. Huh?
Mama, go inside.
Let us bring down now. Nonsense getting according like this, sir. Oh, Suki, don't worry. Let us move. Ha! Leave gonna this one. Hey, don't worry now. Don't worry. I mean, you look finished like this, bottom like this. Bottom, Ezugo, nah, don't worry, you go hear from me now. I want to know from my mother. Don't say no better than why I'm million. No wahala. Mama, come out here. Because I cannot have somebody like you. And they thought you could actually make to tell this village. They don't let you man. They don't go one man, what do? Mama, I'm going to something down. I think for let you go. You can marry me or something. Because as I there like this now on the vessel, I don't go get a person like you. Let you go carry me the play for this village. No, Mama, they got him now. They got the Zuko now. They got him wacky. Mama, they got make girl, man. They got make girl, man, Mama. Nah. Mama, it's not about that one. You have not back in say I'm not gonna have you for this village. Let us go take me the play. They take me to do something. Do something, oh. I'm not gonna get you for this village. Let us go to him there to play. They're gonna work it.
Ezenwanyi Millie.
Ah! Ezenwanyi Millie. Nabuku. Aduku wanyi mona atujo. Kalisa. Mamamu. I trust you. I believe you.
Just take a look at your brother. Look at him. As big as you are. A woman beat you up and you came here to cry to us. A woman. Okay, that. Bring out your muscle now. Come on, brother. Wait. What Neto beat you to hell? You mean Neto beat you up and you came back here ranting like a woman? Okay. Which one is sister? Everyone have a wine, no.
You be my real sister. I believe you that. I don't get a kind person for this village. Let us go there for come. I pay for you. I will deal with you. I trust you.
Mama, come on for
Mama,
road
leave the
now.
Please, you should come back.
Mama, let me beat her well. Mama, go out of the way now. Let my sister beat her. Leave the road, Mama. You don't see him now. Mama, you don't make this guy they make. Mama, make I go beat this girl.
What of you? Shut up. Keep quiet.
For daring to lay your filthy hands on my son. For that, you shall bear the consequences.
Oh my God now.
Never.
Oh my God now.
Oh.
What you do, my brother?
You escaped this time. Next time, you won't be that lucky.
You're not fit. You don't.
Please, I beg of you.
Uncle, what you do? Come on for here.
Michono.
Strike me.
Michono.
Strike me.
Strike her now. Strike her, Mama.
Oh, Mama, strike her.
Mama.
Uncle, I don't like this in your doing, no.
Mama, strike her now.
Strike her. Fire all of you. Strike me. The mad. Strike me now. The craze.
Please, stand back. Nah, what do this one now, Mama? Strike her now. What will happen?
God punish you.
Michono.
Did they fear you? Strike me.
It's okay.
This fight is not ending anytime soon. This fight is not ending anytime soon. Brother, you started it though. You started it though.
What are you doing now?
I'll
kick you. I'll kick you.
What is okay? It's okay. You are mad though. You see what is okay? Man, are you mad? Are you crazy? I thought you went there to fight. Did you not go there to fight? Just because you saw that useless hotel broke boy, you changed and started asking Mama to stop. Are you okay? What was that? If you say one word again, I'll use these slippers and slap you. You won't do anything.
Now just stay here, they make noise. Now see this one. See this one. Come, let's go and fight. Come, you don't get anything for body.
You, Uncle, what about you? Three of us were supposed to join hands and beat him and beat her. What did we do?
Come on, shut up there.
Us. Now where you there? Now where you there? Shame catch me.
Neto, what is your problem? 1 week, one trouble. Why did you fight her son when you know how dreaded and evil that woman could be? What's your problem? So you have forgotten so soon what happened at your father's burial, what she did?
Hey, Uncle, please. No remind me of how we go to that woman do for my papa burial. We don't beat her son, we say we don't beat her son. And nothing will happen because it's too much for Ezenwanyi and her son in this village. We go run for them.
Oh, Lele, in your mind now a man is talking because of your sister, right? Listen to me. Igbo people say that isi kotebu obaya. Do you think that you people can withstand the fight when it starts?
Which fight won't start when we know if we stand? Uncle, we do on our own. Let's go carry war, come meet us. Don't be saying that we go meet him. Now he come meet us. Say he won't beat me. Say he won't fight me. Me. You don't forget, say, na military school I go. If don't be say I fight our general daughter, by now I for still the army. Now Russian soldier train me, I not well low. Only one blow, it go fall for ground. May I go ask question. If you try rubbish again, I go beat Sam. Make it come here again first. You go hear discourse. Nonsense.
I am surprised at you. Just pray that she accepts my apology. Because if fight erupts here, if you call me, I will not come out. How could you go and fight a family of demons?
Uncle, I know they pray anything. Anything when what happen, make it happen. Which one be say you won't go beg them? I say you message. Don't go beg them. Men not gonna think say we they find their face. I not say you message yo. Make them bring what come. We they wait. You think say we they fear? I know they fear anybody. Ezenwanyi. No they fear am. Oh.
My daughter. I want to know. Everybody see.
Don't go beg am. Make she not gonna think say. Go beg am.
Go beg am. No thank you.
I don't go.
And you saw my sister. She must pay. Mama, what is it again now? What is it? I beg, Mama, go inside. I beg, go inside. I don't want to go inside. No plan against Friday. Sir.
I want
want to teach her a bitter lesson. I want to make her understand that I am the most dreaded. I am the evil. I am the good. Everyone fears and reverences me. She dared me. She dared me. Netochukwu dared me. I bring her to you, my great Ezenwanyi. Let Netochukwu suffer. Let her know pain. Let her know loss. Make her life useless. Make her life worthless. Let her suffer financial failure. Let her suffer pain and sorrow. Let her suffer. She dared me. She dared me. She will have no peace. She will have no rest. Everywhere she faces, trouble and calamity shall follow her. Until she dies a miserable death. So shall it be. Ezenwanyi, take over from now. I bring her and give into your hand. Take over. Take charge. Until you cripple her. So shall it be. Say.
Chidi, this shoe is not my size now.
What's up?
Can't you see? Are you blind? It's not my size now.
I go tell you, no, say no be your size. You don't say na 39 I measure you. Na 38 be this.
What do you mean now? You didn't even wait for me to tell you my size that day.
No be you cause am. Now you cause am. You dey always dey in a hurry. I feel my brain no function well like that day. It's nothing.
Chidi, but you measure my leg now. Why did you give me the shoe that is not my size?
Wetin go happen be say you go find tissue paper or newspaper. You go that long one, you go put am like 3 to 4 months. You go long, you go enter you.
Chidi, Chidi. So this is what you have to say because you have slept with me, Abi. Now after sleeping with me, this is what you have to say. Eh?
You dey so ungrateful. The day wey we do am, I wear clothes. You wear clothes. You dey so ungrateful. I don't service you finish. You come here, you are so ungrateful.
Chidi, so this is what you have to say, Abi. It's not your fault. I don't blame you at all.
Thank you.
Maybe it's because I've given you all the style you want, back and front, everything. That's why you are saying this now.
That missionary no there.
You sure it's not there, Abi? This shoe is not my size. It's not my size. Now why did you bring this shoe for me?
You go manage am.
Manage am?
You give me if you don't want am.
Give you what? You owe me one pair of shoe. Let me just tell you my mind.
It's nothing. You owe me 1 round.
I owe you no round. I'm not owing you anything. You owe me one pair of shoe.
1 pair of shoe, 1 round.
Go and collect it now.
No wahala.
Go and collect it.
You don't even sweet. You keep the test water. For here.
Guy, nah. I no just dey happy, guy. My head dey blow. It's you go. Nah, I no just dey. I no just balance like this. Wetin you dey talk? No be Neto. That's small girl. Neto na. Him brother dey fear me. Obinna. I dey beat am black and blue. I dey ginger am.
Guy, calm down. I need to Chukwu they talk about. Omo, that girl na very big wrestler. Guy, calm down. That girl. I know I'm all the way from Aba. The girl they beat man woto. Make I tell you, wait. Make I tell you. If not being Papa, that girl for don't join wrestling nah. Come on.
Like this now, you don't vex me. Like this now, you don't beat me like to enter you. Which kind of talk? Wetin dey cause all this one now? That's why they fear the girl. What be this one now?
Guy, not be you tell me say need to Chukwu beat you woto. Even carry some pull you from mouth. If they hear they talk about us, maybe say we no even get jazz. Guy, remember say your mama na Ezenwanyi yo.
Obele, come on, shut up. You dey cap rubbish. This guy na idiot. This guy na fool. See what you dey talk.
No mind.
See, nah, Ezugo, you for put me in corner. No, this guy knows sabi anything. You for put me for corner.
Nah, spunk. You know normal level now. I be say I don't see am now. Na woman now. Wetin I want they do with woman now? Like the normal thing now. But you see that girl. See Obinna, him brother. I go beat 2 of them. I go see mend them now. You don't trust me again. I go see arrange them. No worry. And no. No worry now. I need to go see collect for my hand. She go see collect where for my hand.
But that girl is strong. She don't be too one. Okay, relax. No, they talk that rubbish. She do up.
I better go enter you.
Go run her. That girl, who be it to?
Chidi, where the shoe I leave for her comot? I leave it for shop comot. Go bring money for madam. I come back, I no see shoe. Wait here.
I mean, that's that question.
I don't understand. I leave it for shop. Leave shoe where client don't already pay for. Come back, I no see shoe. Where you keep the shoe?
Wait, now me you ready to ask that question? No. Now me you ready to ask that kind of question? The smoke gum? Who go kill you?
Chidi, for shoe where person don't already pay for. Now you use and go toast woman. You don't go past woman. Now woman use and go toast. Chidi, bring that shoe.
You don't really get respect.
Chidi, bring that shoe.
When they carry you come this shop, I think say you go get respect. You go get humility. No say I be your senior.
I know you follow each. Bring that shoe.
You the mad though.
Bring that shoe. Bring that shoe. Bring that shoe. Go on, bring that shoe. So because I don't, you say I can bring that shoe. I know you follow that. One, bring that shoe. Ewo. Bring that shoe. Bring it. You bring that shoe there. Where is it? You there. Because if madam brother, if you say you gonna be there, why? I don't even. Bring that shoe. You know.
What do you yarn like this? Shoe of 48,000 they miss from my shop. How? Onyeye. My shoe they miss. Hey. Make her they come shop. Where Chidi dey? No talk too much, I they come shop now. Make it not be what they think, oh. Make it not be what they think because I go beat person, oh. Make it not be what they think. I don't want to hear them. If I tell you what I don't do today, fight when I don't fight, quarrel when I don't quarrel. If I tell you, you don't go understand. Get my shoe, where you keep up?
Madam, I don't carry yours.
Not like.
Madam, I don't even know the shoe where they talk about. The brand I don't know. I don't carry anything. I don't know who they tell you I carry anything.
Not like you carry the shoe.
Chidi, I go break your head though. You don't need my business play, Abi. Where my shoe? Where you keep them?
Madam, I don't like you know they believe me. You listen to this girl. When she come, I'm waiting to know about shoe, waiting to know about brand.
Okay, you don't use my shoe, do love. Abi? You don't carry my shoe, take do love, Chidi.
Madam, if you look with you, say nothing concern me, concern love. No, I don't even see love. Love not even see me. I don't see your shoe.
Who you dey like? If I don't see you when you jump enter bush.
You be family.
Eh?